Maaga pa lang ay nagsimula ng magdatingan sa gym ng Simon Fraser University ang maraming Pinoy basketball fans para makiisa sa pagdiriwang ng ikalawang Filipino Heritage Night sa SFU. Excited rin ang komunidad na mapanood ang laro ng nag-iisang Filipino-Canadian basketball player ng SFU Red Leafs na si Michael Malabuyok, isang 5'11 point guard. Kalaban ng SFU Red Leafs sa gabing iyon ang Alaska Nanooks mula sa University of Alaska, Fairbanks. Sa ikalawang taon ng Gabi ng Pinoy sa SFU, muling naging sentro dito ang bandila ng Pilipinas.
You've been through a lot, but I've seen the guts and the determination to get through, and I think that really is what stays with you as you work together as a community.
Pinarangalan ng mismong mayor ng Burnaby na si Mike Hurley ang SFU Gabi ng Pinoy na anya'y isang pagpupugay sa Filipino community.
This Heritage Night means a lot. And of course, we also have the really good Filipino basketball player out here, Mikel, who's doing such a great, has such great stats this year. So that adds extra excitement to this event. So I'm just very pleased here to support the community, and we'll continue. This will grow even bigger and bigger as the years come.
Naroon din upang makiisa sa pagdiriwang ang Filipino-Canadian City Councilor sa Burnaby na si Maita Santiago.
It's the second time that SFU basketball is doing Filipino Heritage Night, and so we're really excited. We've got like the team out here, and we've also got like a Filipino food truck sa labas, may tayong vendor, may ice cream, kandila, and lots of other things, right, for everybody to enjoy. So of course, we're rooting for SFU. It's also really nice to be here because, many years ago I graduated from SFU.
Ang pagdiriwang ng magkatuwang na inorganisa ng Mabuhay House Society at Pinoy Festival Alliance ay nagtampok rin ng food truck na naghatid ng mga tusok-tusok snacks at iba pang putahing Pinoy at isang ice cream cart na nagpatikim ng mga Filipino flavor gaya ng ube at mango cheese. Nagkaroon din ng cultural presentation sa halftime na nagpamalas ng mga katutubong sayaw ng mga Pilipino gaya ng tinikling. Napili naman ng Mabuhay House Society na magdisenyo ng Gabi ng Pinoy shirt ang Filipino-Canadian graphic designer at muralist na si Fiona Ladaran. Ayon kay Ladaran, naging inspirasyon niya rito ang mga kulay at simbolong nakapaloob sa Philippine flag.
I took inspiration from the colors as well as the symbols like the sun and the stars. And I also incorporated some Baybayin, which is an indigenous language from the Philippines, to highlight our pre-colonial history and our roots. And I wanted to create something familiar but not too conventional. And I think that Filipino culture is super bold and super fun and playful. So I really wanted to reflect that energy in the overall design.
Malaki na ang ugong-ugong sa galing ni Malabuyok na dati na ring naglaro para sa Western University sa Ontario at sa Canadian Elite Basketball League team na Vancouver Bandits. Isa sa mga nakapansin sa laro niya ay si Coach Nap Santos na regular na nakikibahagi sa mga tournament ng National Basketball Training Center sa Pilipinas.
He's doing really good. I saw some highlights a few days ago when he was in the States, and I really like what he's seeing. I talked to his parents. He's averaging like 14.5 points a game, so he's doing really well. It's really good to see him out there.
Bagamat naging mahusay ang laro ni Malabuyok sa gabing yon, disappointed naman siya dahil natalo sila sa Alaska sa score na 69-57. Gayunpaman, masaya si Malabuyok dahil maraming Pilipino ang nakapanood ng laro nila. Natutuwa rin siya dahil naging inspirasyon siya para sa maraming batang Filipino-Canadian na gusto ring maging magaling na basketball player sa hinaharap.
It feels great knowing I'm inspiring these kids, and I just want to show them it's just no matter what you put your heart to, hard work, dedication, it can get you a long way. Don't listen to what other people have to say. If you have a belief that you can do something, then no one's stopping you but yourself. So.
But it's also not an easy road.
Oh, definitely not. There's going to be ups and downs, but if you just stay the course and just keep going, good things will come your way.
Ito ang unang taon ng paglalaro ni Malabuyok para sa SFU. Plano niyang maglaro sa mga team sa Asia gaya ng Pilipinas, Korea o Japan pagka-graduate niya sa kanyang kurso. Mula sa Burnaby, British Columbia, ako si Israel Cando, ang inyong patrol abroad.